I have a new tool in my workshop and I highly recommend it. It is the Drill Doctor Drill Bit Sharpener. This model is the 500X, and I have been wanting a drill bit sharpener for quite a while, and I've put it off mainly because of the price, and I wasn't sure if I could do it because I've seen some of the ads. It looked like it was very cumbersome. Anyway, I probably just psyched myself out for that. But I got a nice gift card from Mom, and I took advantage of it and bought me one of these, and I am so glad I did. And so I wanted to share with you guys why you should consider one too. First off, if you have a lot of drill bits, like I do, in boxes and containers and all spread out, you need a drill bit sharpener. And why is that? Well, because it's so darn easy to keep them sharp. And I have a policy in my workshop, or not a policy, more like a motto, a rule. When in doubt, change it out. It is my exacto rule. And I tell the kids, if you're ever using a knife blade and it looks like it's dull or it's cutting jagged edges, just stop what you're doing, throw the blade away, get a new one, and continue on. And now that I've got this sucker, I think I'm going to start sharpening every bit I use before I work on a project, because I think it'll make it that much better. I'm not going to say safer, I think that's relative, but if you've ever used a bad drill bit, I'm sure you get frustrated, and this will remove that. So real quick, I want to show you how easy this thing is. And this is by no means an instruction guide. This is just to show you, and I guess time-wise, how quick you can do it. So first off, here it is. It's basically like a little Dremel tool, rotary tool. In fact, it is a rotary tool. There's a little diamond-coated disc inside here, and you use it for two things: sharpening the bit on both sides, and then on the side attachment, you do these split points. I've never considered a split point before. Some of my drill bits have them, but now that I've learned how to do it, I think I'm going to do the split point on everything. It seems to make a huge difference. So it's not many parts. You've got a little cap here, but you've got the main device, the main box, and a chuck. And I'm going to grab this used bit that I have, and it's real simple. You put your drill bit in the chuck, and you just keep doing it until it's nice and snug, okay? And then you put it into this little guide tool, which the guide tool takes the bit, and you rotate it, and it centers it correctly for the sander. It also sets the depth. Once you position it in this little tool, it's real simple. You tighten the chuck, remove it, and now it's going to get loud, but you're going to put the bit in, and you're going to give it several turns at these little marks until you kind of hear it getting quieter. Let's do that real quick. Now, at this point, I could be done. And that's a sharp tip, but I want to do the split point. So let me show you how that easy it is. And all you do it is two positions. Your little white lines here, and you line them up on the side. Let's do it. Let's test our work. Done. I mean, wow, a big difference. And if I were putting a little bit more force on the table, that would work even faster. But the split point really creates a much cleaner cut. And I'm no drilling expert, but I will tell you, I think this is what needed to be done in the first place. Guys, I just wanted to show you a quick video. This is going to pay for itself very soon in my workshop. Highly recommend it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have one, I'd love to hear your feedback, especially if you've had any problems that I should be concerned with. But really like this guy. Thanks.